Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you want to share your GitHub repository, then here is how you're going to do it. So first things first, you're going to head over to your github.com, and then from here, you're going to make sure that you're logged in or you already have created an account. Now from your dashboard or your home page, you're going to head over to the top right corner of the screen until you see your profile icon. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on it, and then from there, you're going to click on repositories. Now, from the repositories page, you're going to choose the repository that you want to share with others. I'm going to choose this test repository that I have here. And then from there, you're just going to see this code button right here in colored green. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on that. And then from the HTTPS tab that will appear, you're going to have to just copy this HTTPS or this URL. Alternatively, you can also use the URL from your address bar right here at the top. You can just copy that and then you can share that with everyone else or to whom you want to share your GitHub repository with. And that's it. That's basically how you're going to share it with others. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, please don't hesitate to comment them down below. I'll see you in the next video.